Today's topic is layer mask. For erasing something we usually use erase tool, but see what happens when we will use a layer mask. So, let's start. Take a new page with a white background. Add a new layer. Fill it with any color. I fill it with black and put layer name. Now take the eraser tool for erasing. As we are removing with the eraser tool, we can see the background layer white in back. Carry on. For example, we don't want this hole here, so we have to go back. For that, use Ctrl plus Alt plus Z, 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 continue, click. Now we are unable to reach our particular hole because of our history limit. Delete this layer. Now we will see how layer mask helps us out of this problem. Add a new layer. Fill it with any color. I fill it with black and put any name. I name it to mask. Now add a layer mask in this layer. Layer mask work with black brush and white brush. Pick black and white color. The black brush will remove, the white brush will bring back. Now keep removing. Now we have no issues of history limit. With the white color brush, we can bring back the previous position. And then again remove with black brush. That's all for today. Hope you understand.